Enzyme-substrate complex happens when an enzyme and substrate connect and form an enzyme-substrate complex. During this time, the enzyme acts as a catalyst by lowering the activation energy required to complete the chemical reaction. Here, the green substrates attach to the active site of the enzyme and become products. Non-competitive inhibition is when an inhibitor prevents the enzyme from catalyzing reactions by attaching to another part of the enzyme. Here, the purple non-competitive inhibitor connects to the enzyme and changes the shape of its active site, preventing substrates from entering. Competitive inhibition occurs when a protein attaches to the active site of the enzyme, preventing the substrate from attaching as well. Here, the yellow competitive inhibitor blocks the substrate from entering the active site by changing its shape. Allosteric regulation is the regulation of an enzyme or protein by binding a molecule to the allosteric site of the protein, which allows enzymes that were previously not able to bind with substrates to be able to. Here, the brown allosteric regulator attaches to the allosteric site of a closed enzyme, making it open up and accept substrates. Next is feedback inhibition. Feedback inhibition occurs when the resultant of a reaction interferes with the enzyme that produced it by becoming an inhibitor. The inhibitor binds to a second active site, which blocks the way of the other substrate. This means that the enzyme won't be able to carry on any more reactions. Denaturing of an enzyme occurs when proteins and nucleic acids are subjected to extreme temperatures, chemical reactions, or high or low pH. This causes the active site of the enzyme to change and can no longer bind to the substrate.